Hello everyone. Today I'd like to talk about something that I'm newly experiencing, which is films generated by artificial intelligence, and I'm excited about it. And one of the things which make me excited is that the technology itself is exciting. This capability of being able to make films without actors and without even cameras. This is very revolutionary. On the other hand, I'm excited about it because I'm working on a work related to my mother and her works of art and so on. So it's very exciting. I don't know what this evokes in people's minds when I say artificial intelligence, because this is something that all of us are experiencing. This is new for the human race. It depends on to from one person to another. People might have no idea what it's about, and other people are familiar with a certain kind of technology because we already have, like, those which are concerned with text like ChatGPT. We have only like we have even or also, like those that produce images uh, based on certain texts. So this is related, but it's not the same. This is something different, probably not as developed and the other ones. I'm working actually. I'm using the services offered by an Israeli startup. I have not seen others, and even this that might have potentials which I have not, uh, 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 which I have not discovered yet because I'm using it like, like 2 weeks, no longer than that. Anyway, you know that ChatGPT is something that you can make texts. You can ask ChatGPT to make you an article, to make you I don't know what, but it's about words and discourses and so on and so on. Here different. Like, here you have to write a script, and there's going the company or the platform provides you with presenters and layouts, and you have to choose your presenter. But I find it not very developed. This means that it still has the potentials to be developed more and more. That what I'm doing now. I'm working on a documentary film that, in this case, we don't have dialogue, we don't have characters. Really, I need no more than one presenter, and that's going to be okay. But if you have another script, like, I don't know whether there are other potentials, but anyway, this can be developed, like, to provide more than to provide actors. This is, but it needs wax. I'm talking about something that I have already experienced. I don't know whether there's something more developed there, so somewhere else in the world, or followed by. I have no idea, but I've experienced a little bit of this, and I find it satisfactory in the sense that it helps me achieve what's there in my mind. That what I need is that, I need a presenter that can, say the text that I'm going to provide, and I'm going to provide the pictures of works of my mother, and I'm going to comment on them. And all of this, depends on the text. So my main role here is a writer, is like, as a and someone who is going to comment on works of art, like, someone who's going to provide information or authentic information. I know this is the basic thing, but, like, the form I'm going to present is different. If I say something about the company, I'm not going to say which. No, it's an Israeli startup, and it's something. This startup was started, newly. Like, it's not the technology itself, as I have already said, is a new, and it's costly. I find it expensive, but, like, any if you remember, like when mobiles were first invented, like they were super expensive, like even though they were primitive. If we in comparing with what I have in my mind, in my hand, if you compare it with what we had in 2000, for instance, like it's so they were very expensive, but less developed and very expensive. But like once we have more generation, like more developed mobile, the older generation becomes less expensive, and so on and so on. And probably this is what we are going to experience in the case of artificial intelligence used for making films. Anyway, what's revolutionary about it? Probably I'm repeating this, in that there is no need of actors and there's no need of directors probably. And you know that people, because in making a film we need many people. There are teams of people, the people who there's the script writer, this kind of scenario, the actors, the director, the technicians, many technicians, people who do the montage. And okay, by the way, it's as far as this concerns my film, so I will need so I will need the montage. So there will be another process once I finish this using the services offered by artificial intelligence. Once I have this film, let's say, the first version of the film, I will work on it further using the montage. Uh, you know, but it's still revolutionary because I will need no other people other than myself, and this is a great advance. You know that to be able to make a film yourself, one person can make a film. Yeah, this is really a great advance. But is it the same quality? Let's see. Anyway, as I have already mentioned, it's going to be a documentary film, for other kind of films. Let's what we can do and how we can develop this kind of platform. Anyway, I have many projects, but for the time being, I'll try to concentrate on this in the hope that it's going to be shown to you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.